So, in this video I'm going to show you how to make pyramids and mummies! I'm Charlotte from London Art Nanny and this is Art Splash Online. Kids art tutorial, easy to follow step by step. And I've got two art kids that are into ancient Egypt. So they wanted to make pyramids and mummies. So that's how we came up with this project, and I wanted to share it with you guys at home as well. So you can try it if you want. Have a look. Before we get started, check that you're wearing art-friendly clothes so you don't get stains on your favorite jumpers or school uniforms. For this project you will need 5 same-sized squares of cardboard, 1 for the base, and then cut out 4 triangles. To cut out the triangles, you can ask an adult for help because the cardboard is quite thick and it might be tricky to cut it out. Later on we will glue on the sides around the base. Before that we need to paint them. So choose different colors for your pyramid and paint all the sides. And before you glue them together, let them dry properly. Once the paint had dried, we cut out stripes of white paper and glued them from the inside to stabilize the edges of the pyramid. Remember not to glue one side of the pyramid, so you can use it as a door and open it up to put in the mummies. You can try out different colors and patterns and decorate the pyramid just as you wish.
Yes, that's our goal.
This artist chose to draw a camel and different characters that he glued on the outside of the pyramid. And he also made scriptures for the walls inside the pyramid that looks quite cool. Oh yeah, you can also add handles to the doors to make it easier to open them up. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. For any questions, do comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching!